Hello everyone, Lesley Irizarry Hogan, immigration lawyer at L.I.H Law, PS in Seattle, Washington here again. It's October 2022. Wanted to give you just a few updates of what's going on in immigration. Of course, if you have any questions or want to speak about a case in specific, please give us a call, 206-838-7628. If we don't answer, leave us a message and we'll get back to you. But here's what's going on lately. We have the DACA ruling was earlier this month. And basically nothing has changed. So what it means is people who have DACA can continue to renew DACA. People who have not filed or are filing as new will still not be able to. People who have filed as new and it's waiting, it'll continue to be on hold. And it's still in litigation, so it's not a final decision, but it might take years more. So right now, everything stays the same. So it's important, more important than ever, that if you have DACA, that you continue to renew on time so that you don't let it lapse. Another new update is parole for Venezuelans or citizens of Venezuela. This is for certain individuals. It's a new program. Kind of modeled after the same one for other countries. So again, if you have family members you'd like to see if they can qualify for parole, you can always give us a call. There's also, as far as the medical exams, for when you have to submit a medical exam to immigration, usually if you're applying for like a green card or something like that, you have to file a form I-693, which is an immigration medical form, immigration exam signed by certain civil surgeons or doctors that are approved by immigration. The general rule is that it can't be over 60 days old from when you file it with your forms. Immigration has extended this waiver, which just means that you can file it even if it's over 60 days old with your paperwork and they will accept it. This waiver has been extended through March 31st of 2023. So if you have an old medical exam and that's over 60 days old and you haven't submitted it to immigration, you can still do it and they'll accept it. Another really important update is for I-90s or for green card renewals. So when you have a green card, a 10-year green card generally, and you need to renew it, you have to renew it every 10 years, then there's huge processing delays with this. So the recommendation is usually to file 6 months before it expires. And even if you do that, they're still taking around 2 years to renew or to process those applications. So immigration has now extended the automatic extension for 24 months or 2 years. So what that means is when you file for your I-90 or your green card renewal, you get a receipt, and on that receipt it says your status is extended or your green card is extended. And instead of 12 months or 1 year, which is what they were doing, now they're doing 2 years or 24 months. So that way, if you need to travel or for employment, you can travel for 2 years after your green card, the card actually expires, with the green card, the receipt, and obviously your passport or a travel document, okay? So that's kind of how that works. If you have filed an I-90 and you got an old receipt which says that it's extended for 12 months, then they are working on reissuing new ones. I have no idea how long that will take, but at some point you'll get a new receipt that says your green card is extended for 24 months. So if you've moved, it's really, really important that you make sure you change your address with immigration. If you're traveling and you only have the 12-month, again, I would suggest you call me. or talk to an immigration lawyer to talk about how to either get that extension more quickly, or how to get a stamp in your passport to be able to travel if you have an old receipt and it's expired and you need to travel outside the country. So those are just a few updates, October 2022. Obviously, just highlights. But if you have any questions about it, if you have case-specific questions, give us a call, 206-838-7628, and we can set you up for a consultation. Thanks. Have a good day.